I always had an interest in big trucks. I grew up on a farm, so it just seemed like a natural fit to get my commercial license. I didn't plan on doing it as long as I have, but I can't foresee getting out of it anytime soon. My name's Dale. I've been driving commercial truck for 19 years, working in the oil field for probably 13 of that. It's great to see that Michelin actually worked with us. They've listened to our feedback in designing this product. I've had the opportunity to run the X-Works Grip D recently, and I've been quite impressed with the way it handled on the road. When you approach a steep grade, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking. Quite often we will chain up in advance of the hills. Being able to install and remove tire chains quickly just makes it that much more efficient. Time is money in this industry. A good quality tire makes you feel safer on the road. Safety is one of our top priorities in this industry. Anything we can do to promote safety helps us get home at the end of the day.